If you want to enable voice to text in order to send messages by saying anything out loud on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case, once you go to Google Messages and open the conversation, then you can tap on the text message field, and then once you see the keyboard on the right side, you should be able to tap on this microphone on the right side. And of course, if you do this for the first time, we need to grant permissions, so let's choose while using the app. And now whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into a text. We can tap on the microphone again in order to make the phone stop listening. Now, in case you don't see this microphone, we can tap on these 4 squares on the left side. And then in here we have this setting icon. This allows us to jump into the keyboard settings. And in here we can go to voice typing. And of course, we can make sure that it is enabled. You can also enable faster voice typing as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.